Hello, I'm Peyton, and I wanted to create a small video showing the easiest way to get started with my asset TrueTrace. So to get started with, we have a simple scene here with a main camera, a directional light, and a mesh. So to get started, first you want to open up Pathtracer settings, and what this has already done is it has assigned the render handle script to the camera with the tag main camera. If you do not have a camera with a main camera tag, you will need to set this manually by simply typing render handle after clicking add component and clicking. But since it's already done that, we don't need to do that. Now, all you need to do is click arrange hierarchy. And as you can see, all the relevant game objects have been put underneath the new scene game object, and their appropriate scripts have already been assigned, such as meshes get ray tracing objects, and parents of meshes get the parent object, and lights get lights. Anyways, following that, all you need to do is click build BVH, and while this is happening, I'm going to add my own fly camera. You can use whatever you want. This is how I like my camera to move. And then all you need to do is press play and wait. And as you can see now, we are in it. We are in the Pathtracer. Standard output, that's what you would expect. We can adjust the light, move the light, play with the settings, such as ASVGF, and there we go. Now, say you wanted to add an object after this has already been set up. In this case, we will be adding the mesh dragon, this little thing. You can do whatever, set it to however you want. You could put it either under something that's under the scene or under the scene itself. It has to be under the scene game object. Anything that's not out here, so if it was out here, it's no longer considered. It no longer gets ray traced. Or path traced. So anyways, after we have added an object, as you can see, no unusual scripts. All we do is click auto assign scripts, and now it has the required scripts and will be considered for the path tracing. So now all we do, click build again. Alternatively, you can build it in play mode if you set this to read-write enabled. Otherwise, you'll have to build it here before you enter play mode. And then once this, I'll wait for this turn green. As you can see, we have a little output here saying how many triangles each thing is. This triangle is 871,000 triangles. Anyways, click play now. And wait. And here we are. Here's our dragon. And then as before, we can move stuff around, turn up the sun, move it. I actually want to move it down here. There we go. And yeah, there's our dragon. Now, because it has its own parent object, we can move it. But that I will demonstrate in another video.